All right, evening, folks. Jeff from Rvdiagnostics, just in the shop playing around. It's January 31st, Saturday. I'm getting ready to shut it down. Just had modified some thing. As we get older, we like to make our life comfortable, especially when we're in a work environment. So before I had to bend all the way down there, turn the key on, all that stuff, right? So now I'll just do this and then hit the green one and the yellow. There you go. And the yellow one went out because I put the ground through the coil. All right, and it's not drawing any amps at all. I think it's like 10.1 milliamp. There you go. 100,000ths of a milliamp. 1/100,000th of a milliamp. So that turns it off. Everybody's good. Also took that piece out. Right. This ain't there no more. Oh my God, I'm gonna fall out now. This one against the RV. I don't want to mess up. Right, it's easy to slide stuff up on the roof. And the next goal I'm going to make is a plate that goes here with slide drawers on it, or drawer slides. 400 pounds, and I can put an AC, lift it up, and slide it over onto the roof. The other one was, now that this bracket here, like that one is there, bolted, that's missing, so I had to put me a holder post so it's easy to move this thing now. Before I was holding on to this and you look at it. So I'm going to tighten that back up. But basically, folks, that's it. Just a real quick video. Thank you very much. Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Remember, test not guess. And this is what I'm working on now. I think it's a 2008 Fleetwood Bounder. Full wall slide issues, folks. Bring them here, we got you. We'll teach you how to do all that stuff. It's nice if you had the pendant. If not, you can do it without the other one. Thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics.